Try this one energy hack. Feeling as energetic as a sloth on a Monday morning? Do you find yourself dragging through the day thanks to a lack of energy? Well, let me introduce you to a culprit that could be sapping your energy: fatty liver disease. It's like having an uninvited guest who overstays their welcome in your liver. Now, you might be searching for a magical potion to detoxify your liver, but hold your horses, my friend. Let me tell you about an ancient secret that's making a comeback: castor oil packs. By using a castor oil pack on your abdomen, you can give your liver a little nudge to detoxify itself, flushing out all those unwanted toxins. As your liver detoxifies, you'll start feeling like a spring-loaded kangaroo, bouncing with energy. Of course, detoxifying your liver is only half the battle. You'll also need to embark on a healthier lifestyle, which means bidding farewell to those greasy burgers and saying hello to leafy greens. With the help of castor oil packs, you'll have a secret weapon that alleviates the pain and discomfort of fatty liver disease as you transition to a healthier and more energized you. So if you're tired of feeling tired, click the link below to grab your own pack of Life Castor Oil Pack today. Remember, stay healthy and stay happy.